Okay, so to change the Nvidia recording location, well, what you want to do first is set up the folders. So you open up Windows Explorer, you navigate to where you want the new folders to be, and then you create a folder called Nvidia, and then you want a temp folder and a video folder inside of it. Then make a note where this folder is. So the quickest way to do that is just click in this empty space up here, and then you'll be able to get the full address for where that is. Now you know where that is. What you want to do is go to what looks like a share icon at the top here, and then go to the settings. This is in the Nvidia app. To get to that, you just need to go down to the bottom at the tray, and then just right click the Nvidia logo, and then go to Nvidia App. So where was it? I was at the share icon, and then you want to go to the cog, and then go to File and Disk Space, and then you want to change these two locations. So to do that, you just want to click on it. To go back, you just keep clicking on this bit to go all the way back. To go forward, you need to click on the location where you want to go. So mine is in D drive under Nvidia, and this is for the temp folder, so this is temp one. Now I'm just going to go back once, is that when you've actually found the folder that you want to be in, you just need to click the tick up here. And that will be the same for the other folder as well. So I hope you found this useful. Remember to subscribe, rate, comment, and see you again in the future. Bye.